In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset your account on the 8 Ball Pool game. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, if you don't have the 8 Ball Pool game on your PC, or sorry, on your phone, you'll need to go and download it through Play Store if you have an Android, App Store if you have an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. So once you actually did that, you'll have it on your phone, and then just open it, or if you already have it, just open it as well. So of course, let me just tell you, if you are interested by playing 8 Ball Pool in your PC, you'll find a video I already made in this channel on how to play 8 Ball Pool on your PC. So make sure, if you are interested, to go and check it out. So when you open your game on your phone, you will find 3 options ahead of you. You will find the option of logging into your account, and the option of creating your account if you don't have an account, and the last option is just to play as a guest if you want. Of course, if you want to reset your account, playing as a guest will not make any difference because you'll not have any progress. So of course, if you reset your account, or if you already if you already played as a guest, and just go and delete the cache on your 8 Ball Pool, and you'll actually reset your account. So of course, if you already have an account logged into it, or you just created one and played so much and you want to reset your account, simply you will need, of course, after choosing one of them, you will find yourself here at this home screen, and of course from here you will need to go, and there are some ways. So of course, the first way is just to go and install 8 Ball Pool app from your device. So the account was if the account was linked with Facebook or Google, that will actually not delete your account. But if it's not linked with no Google or Facebook, it will actually reset your account. Of course, there is the option, but this doesn't work always. Is if you already have an account and you want to reset it, just go, of course, clear the cache or the data from 8 Ball Pool, then go and play as a guest, then log in. Then when you play as a guest, just go and click at the icon of you, not the icon, sorry, click at the settings icon at the bottom left corner, and then log in into your account by Facebook or Google Play, or even like the mini clip, and that will certainly reset your account. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.